Welcome back. So we got a 1973 Camaro here, not a Z28 car. We thought it was at first, did some digging and found out we got a 383 Blueprint motor here, but this is not a Z28 car.
Nice and quiet under the hood. This car should be quick, but we're gonna be taking it down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We are Maple Motors. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. See all of our current inventory, financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories are all available at that website. So go there, check it out, and look at the frequently asked questions section. I've been pushing that hard here lately. It answers a lot of your questions. You don't even have to call. All right, guys. Hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior, kind of check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Looking around the dash, pretty clean. Automatic in this one. Look at that ashtray. I can't even get it open. Oh, it's brand new. You got some paperwork back there that comes with the car. A little bit about the motor. Package tray's a bit, looks like it's missing a cover on it. I'd have to put one on there. Headliner's got a few wrinkles in the back, needs to be stretched. Other than that, it's in great shape. Looks pretty good. Starts up nice and easy. This car sounds mean. Engine temperature is up. They don't have the volt or the battery gauge hooked up. Oil pressure working pretty good. Upgraded radio. Tach is coming up. Original temperature gauge is working as well. Definitely gonna stop and get some gas. I don't believe that. And it's hard to stand behind mileage, especially when it's got a replacement crate motor. But it's supposed to be to factory blueprints. All the paperwork shows that. Horn? I could have bet that would have worked. Blower motor? Nothing. All right. No ashtray either. Let's hit the road. All right. Looks like new seat belts. Find the other side here. Let's see how bad this one is. Make sure I'm in neutral here. Neutral and drive. There we go. This is pretty good. Speedometer's coming up. That's pretty good. Got some pep to it. Car is pulling to the left. If I let go of the steering wheel, we end up going back to the left. It wants to stay in the fast lane. Passing gear is not hooked up. Vibration. Could be the tires. Shifter's very sensitive. I may have just bumped it into neutral there. Doesn't take nothing. There's first. There's second. Drive. But I mean, you could just barely touch it and jump into neutral. It locks you out both ways, which is good, but doesn't take nothing. So yeah, if you're gonna manually shift it, you may upgrade the shifter for that. Brakes on this one feel great. Turn signals popping up on both sides of the dash. And we're gonna pull in here to the gas station, get us some fuel, continue this test drive. Our gas gauge right now is completely full, maxed out. So we're gonna see if it works. It might be full. I doubt it. Odds are it's on empty. Let's get some fuel. Okay, all I could fit was about $15 in it, and it was full, so the gas gauge may not be as wrong as I thought it was. Let's see if it goes up anymore. It was already on full. If it pushes past it, and well, you can kind of judge it. Let's see here. Yeah, look, it's dumped all the way off to the right now. It's not absolutely correct, but I wouldn't trust that gas gauge. I'd probably replace it. Let's keep rolling. Got y'all set up in the driver's seat now. Went ahead and did it a little bit different this time because you know what? Sometimes you forget your bag. And now I've got you on the old school way. When I first started doing these videos, just for the window mount. If you like it, comment below and I'll keep including it in my new videos. This car is pretty sweet. It's getting a little hot out here. I've been in the parking lot for a while, walking around the car, checking everything out. I noticed the temperature did get to 210. Of course, as soon as I start driving, it'll bring it back down. As it already is now, it's at 200 and dropping. So, didn't take very much. But I have been sitting in that parking lot for at least 15 minutes with this thing idling in the same spot. It's gonna get warm, especially as warm as it is today. Still pulling to the left. She sounds great. Temperature's down to 190 now. Suspension stiff on this one. I rate the suspension, not the whole car. So suspension on this one, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. It's a little bit bumpy. Actually, temperature's down to 185 now, so she's cooling off quick. tires over on this one. She definitely is bumpy. Oh, they're coming this way. Both ways. Well, that's not a good sign. Okay. Literally, I'm right around the corner from the car lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe. I post videos daily. At least I try to, until I run out of cars. And we update every Monday with new inventory. So we're gonna pull back in the lot here. I got another Camaro I want to test drive today, and then I've got a C10 pickup truck that I'd like to take down the road and get it videoed. Be sure to hit subscribe, also share and hit like. That helps me out a lot more than you know, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta get them undercarriage shots.